Just want y'all to see. Hey there. Another little simple DIY project I got as usual. Just setting the camera up. This one is about some plants. I bought these from Home Depot and I think they're like $3 to $4. They're magnetic. They got magnets on it and they're made out of cement. And I have a little dirt in here. But they can go in your refrigerator, your appliances, dishwasher. And I have another one here, magnetic, in here. And I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. I bought these little plants out of Home Depot. You know, they have a little dirt in them. And this is a little one. These, anybody who never did plants before, I don't have the name of this, but nobody can kill this. If you plant this outside, they multiply. I think this live longer than humans can live. This was one of these plants. So any beginners, you can't harm this. If you did, it's the problem. But anyway, so I'm going to plant these two plants and put it on my refrigerator because I get good light right here. And anything that gets good light does the plants well. Okay? So as you can see, I have another plant up here that gets good sunlight. So right here, I'm getting ready to put two magnetics. But you could do this too. So what I'm trying to say is I got two planters, beautiful colors, different. And we're gonna plant the plants, okay? So I'll do this one first. It's a pretty color. See the design? Very nice. And this is the magnetic. And if you want, I mean, I like this because it's flat and I get the roundness to go on the refrigerator. But, you know, you can use your hand and you can make your own thing, whatever. Okay, I got this plant. I'm going to put it in here. Mind you, plants only need a little water. I wet them enough until they reach the bottom of the pot, and that's it. That's it. Unless it's really, really hot, I water them once a week. You always break the roots. Now, remember, the secret of any good plant is to break the roots, okay? You pinch them, break them, whatever, they will grow. Now, I put it in here. You push it down. I got a paper towel down here, but I'm still making a mess. Push it down with your fingers. I have soaked it in water so it won't, I won't be watering this no time soon because I have this kind of soaked. Okay, because you put too much water, it could smell in a container because this doesn't have holes at the bottom. So you only want to give it a little water, you know, let you see what I'm doing. See how I'm pushing the dirt in here? I'm going to wipe it down. Let them flow. Let them grow over it. You see? Now I did this one. Let's do the other one. And this is this one. Okay, and this is a little plant, but we're gonna do him. Okay, let's take it out. Remember, the secret is break your roots, give them a chance to grow. Okay, now I'm gonna push my fingers in here. If you can see, I mess with my fingers a lot. Hopefully not outside too much. I have my gloves on because I don't like worms and all that stuff. Yeah, so now I'm gonna push it down. I have to take my fingers and you smash the dirt down till it goes combine into one. That's all. I didn't wet this too much, this one. I think I'll wet it a little bit. And that's that one. I'm gonna get a little paper towel, clean it up. And that's what you do. Nice trick to the home. I love little simple things, little hacks you can do at the home to put on, you know, for your house. It's always something you're thinking about. Okay, it's beautiful, beautiful. Clean the other one up and we're gonna put them up. That's what we're gonna do. Little flower pots, nice designs. Clean them up. And just a little dab of water once a week. Unless it's really hot and dry in your house, you might have to do it twice, but that's it. It's beautiful. Okay, now I'm gonna show you. I'm going to put it up. Hang in there with me. Alright, right here. This is my refrigerator. The side of it. And this is what we're going to do. that little thing. You always gotta trim your plants. Move my other stuff out the way. All my other little junk. This will get plenty of sunlight. Look at that. Always trim, always trim. And here goes this other baby. And I'm getting beautiful window sunlight from this. Might even put it up here. Bring this down some. This is my other plant up here. Had this for years, been doing so well. You always trim it when you get ready. But because I have it sitting up here, it does so well. When you trim them off, you get dead plants, you fail, and you do them. I have a little water in there. 1 second, let me dump some out. I don't like it to be too full. Yeah, once a week, if you can, that's it, you know? Beautiful. Had it for years. I'm always cutting it down. I don't let it grow but so much, but the sunlight is so beautiful on there. Let me put this back up here. All right. So that's my 2 little hacks that I did. Okay? Till next time, to my other DIY project, as always. I think the next project will be, I really don't know yet. You know, I got a lot of things in mind, trying to enjoy the summer. Going to open up the my garage for a wood shop. There's some things I want to do and make. But until my next project, I'll see y'all later. I'm always thinking of things to do. If you want to leave any comments, subscribe to me, and let me know about any projects you would like me to do, or post, or show, or ask me any advice on anything that you have done or you would like to do. You know? I think my biggest accomplishments that I really like of all the things that I made is my fireplaces. I did a DIY fireplace and I gave my daughter one. It's beautiful. It's better than mine's. It's more fancier, put it like that. And I did mine's, and that's probably my favorite project of all. And a stool I made for my sister. When I make stuff, people say, "Oh, you should sell them. You should sell it, or bring it, you know, make some money off it." I do use, excuse me. I can use the money. Don't get me wrong. But, you know, it's a hobby, but it's a hobby I like. I don't like, you know, my gift is giving somebody something and they enjoy it and they love it and they use it. It's not the money. See, I think I make personal things. Like when I made it for my sister, it was no price tag on that. I took my time. It's something from me, my bare hands, and I gave it to my sister. It's priceless. The price that she loved it, and she loved it because I made it, that was the most beautiful thing. When I gave it to my daughter, she told me she's going to cherish it. I put my name on the back. You know how furniture people put their names on the back of the furniture? I did that. She loved it. She loved it. And for what I'm understanding, she's going to cherish it. And I hope her daughter will cherish it, you know, from the time when I'm gone, you know, and everything like that. So that's good. But I just like making stuff, but giving it to somebody that wants it, desires it, and appreciate that I made it, and it's a gift from my heart to you. So, you know, I could make money. I could sell stuff. I'm trying to get done so I can enjoy my summer, but I really want to get back into my painting. I love painting. I'm not no masterpiece. I told my sister I'm a master of... No. I got talent in so many things, and I don't think I'm a master of none of them. Okay? I wish I could take one thing and perfect it. You know, just perfect it. But I don't know. I got so many things that I'm doing that I just love doing it. But I think that's my really next project, get back into my painting. I have a print in my living room of a little black girl jumping that I copied. You know, just took the picture and photographed it. But what I want to do is paint that picture, or maybe I'll make my own design. But I love that picture, so I'm hoping to do that one day. So gotta be in the right area. You know, things we got going on here, so I gotta get in the mood for that. But that's probably some next projects coming up. But I hope you enjoyed the little project DIY. But I just wanted to show you. So like and subscribe, and if you have any comments, put it down, and you know, press the bell and alert if you want to catch any projects that I do. Anything I do, you will be alerted, so you know when I'm on. Okay, so you have to press the bell. Okay, so like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Love you.